So QCY is placing a lot of emphasis on multi-driver earbuds, and we're happy to see them innovating and experimenting with what works and what doesn't. I've been a fan of QCY products for a while now, and I'm happy to see this trend.
Everything that brought me alive, going wrong like nonsense, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi.
Today we're taking a look at an advancement to the T10, the T11 series of earbuds that we've previously checked out, and we're gonna see if this new version is a worthy upgrade from the others. Welcome to a review of the QCY T11S. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with the review of the QCY T11S. So keeping up with the series of earbuds from QCY, today we're taking a look at the new QCY T11S, and it's aimed to be the successor to both the T10 and the T11. And I've personally bought these earbuds from AliExpress, and they retail this for about 43 US, and that's about 189 Malaysia ringgit, which is slightly more expensive than its predecessor, but for good reasons. So if you're interested in getting these earbuds, do check out my links in the description below. So the first noticeable difference between the QCY is the branding, and you can see the box and the QCY logo have changed quite a bit compared to its previous version. And just comparing the T11, which I have here in black, and the T11S, you'll see the first thing is the QCY logo at the top has changed. Honestly, I kind of prefer the old QCY branding. I think it's simpler and just cooler in all ways. So I've got the white model for the T11S, and in my opinion it's the color that you should choose because I can already see micro scratches on the black T11 that I have. The shell of the T11S is the same glossy plastic shell as the T11, and unlike the T10 series which has a matte finish, I honestly think the white on the QCY is very stylish and premium looking. So at the back of the case, you get a button to check the battery percentage of the case, and below that you get a Type-C charging port to top up the earbuds. At the front here, you get the same 3-level indicator to tell you the charging status and also the battery percentage of the case. So it will go from red, blue and green, and when it's green means that the battery is fully charged. The lid opens up the same as the T11 and doesn't have any friction lid or special hinge to hold the lid up. Kind of takes away the premium look and feel of the case, and inside the earbuds placements and all is identical to its predecessor, but I honestly think the white is so much better looking than the black. The earbuds are also shaped and designed the same as the T11, but the main difference here is that the new T11S comes with an in-ear sensor to autoplay or pause media when you remove the earbuds. The front of the stem, there's no branding at all. It's very simple, very clean, and you get an LED light at the top of the stem with where the touch sensor is, but all LED action goes away once the earbuds connects to your phone. And apart from that, everything else of the T11S is the same as the T11. So the T11S has an upgraded battery performance compared to the T11 and the T10, and also because the new earbuds runs Qualcomm 5.2 chipset, you're getting slightly better battery performance overall. A single charge will give you about 5 hours of battery life and 35 extra hours with the case. You're also getting quick charging here, so 10 minutes of charge equals 1 hour of playtime, and charging the earbuds from empty takes about 2 hours. So with the slightly more expensive price tag, fortunately QCY also gives you all the features that makes these earbuds worthwhile. The first difference here is that you're getting a Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.2 chipset that supports aptX, AAC and SBC audio codec. Not exactly sure which model is QCY using, but it's good to know Qualcomm is here. I don't see any advertised IP rating for the T11S, but since these are from the same family, it should come with the same IPX5 water resistant rating, so you're pretty much protected from the elements elements, whether using them in a gym or running under the rain shouldn't be much of a problem for these earbuds. You'll also be getting an in-ear sensor with the T11S, however it takes away the seamless experience of the earbuds. You can still use them independently left or right, however you're gonna get a temporary pause when you remove them from your ears. Lastly, the T11S also doesn't come with multi-point connectivity. So app control for all QCY earbuds are almost the same, and together with their branding, QCY has also updated their app layout and it's quite simple to use. So one thing I want to highlight is that how companies like QCY color codes their app. So when you have a black unit, the app will show a black unit, and if it's white, it will show a white. So that's pretty cool. So the first part here, you can see the control remapping, and they have also integrated the battery percentage at the top here, so to save space. And if you expand here, this is some of the control sets that you can recustomize or remap, and what you see now is the ones that I think works the best for me now. And if you click into it, you can change it to any of the functions available here. If you scroll down a bit, you get the equalizer. So here you can select any of QCY's presets EQs here, or you can go into distinctive sound effects and make the adjustments here itself. So once you make the adjustments to your liking, you can save them, right, to any one of the names that you like, and you can use them in the future. So that's pretty convenient. So apart from EQ, there's not really much other capabilities that you can do with the app. There's no find your headset capabilities here. And at the bottom here, you get to update your firmware, and that's basically all of the controls you get with the QCY app. So similar to the T11, I think the T11S comes with the exact same dual driver, one dynamic and one armature driver, and frankly from my test they sound very similar without tuning the EQ. These earbuds sound crispy and high quality thanks to the armature driver, and do a great job with reproducing the clear high ends. Very high resolution. Bass on these are also good and performs especially well when you play them loud. Anything above 50%, the bass sounds fantastic. Listening to some complex songs, I think the QCY hold itself up super well, with good instrumental separations and forward vocals. Even with all the bass and vocals going on, you still get a very good clear instrumental presence at the back. Now that I've got more time to listen to the T11 and T11S, I noticed that with some music, the highs can be a little bit ear-piercing at high volumes. So this is also related to the EQ tuning, and in order to push vocals forward, it inevitably also raised the ability to ear-pierce. So overall, these earbuds still sounds pretty nice and impressive for its price point. So this is a test to see if the QCY T11S is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear the difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from this earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So latency on the T11S is pretty good. Watching videos on YouTube and Netflix is really nice, and you'll generally not experience much lag. They don't come with dedicated gaming mode, but for its built-in 65 milliseconds latency, these are pretty decent for casual PUBG gaming. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. In my T11 video, I was hoping that the next version of the T11 would have a Qualcomm chipset, and I think that we got that dream come true because here we got the Qualcomm 5.2 chipset, which is super awesome. Overall, a super decent package for an everyday earbuds. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.